When your Anbernic handheld gaming device fails to power on, systematic troubleshooting is essential. We will examine the most effective methods to diagnose and resolve power-related issues. Step 1 requires systematic verification of your power source. Begin by confirming that your charging adapter is functioning correctly and connected to a reliable electrical outlet. Step 2 involves allowing adequate charging time. Connect your device and permit a minimum of 30 minutes for charging before attempting to power on. This duration ensures sufficient battery recovery, even from complete depletion. Step 3 requires careful physical inspection of the charging port. Examine the connector for debris, damage, or corrosion that may prevent proper electrical contact. Use appropriate tools to gently remove any obstructions. Step 4 implements a soft reset procedure. Press and hold the power button for 15 to 20 seconds. This action clears temporary software glitches that may prevent normal startup and forces a complete system restart. Step 5 involves testing alternative charging accessories. Faulty cables or adapters are common causes of power issues. Use a known working USB-C cable and charger to eliminate accessory-related problems from your diagnosis. Step 6 applies specifically to modified devices. If your handheld has been opened or modified, verify that internal battery connections remain secure. Loose connections can prevent proper power delivery and charging functionality. These systematic troubleshooting steps address the most common power-related issues. If your device shows any signs of life during this process, such as charging indicators or brief screen activation, proceed to advanced recovery procedures for further diagnosis. When standard troubleshooting methods prove insufficient, advanced reset procedures become necessary. Hard reset procedures require specific button combinations and should be approached with careful consideration of potential data loss. The hard reset process typically involves holding specific button combinations while powering on the device. For most Anbernic models, this includes the power button combined with volume controls or shoulder buttons. Successfully entering recovery mode provides access to advanced system repair options. The recovery interface offers several critical functions for device restoration and maintenance. Recovery mode typically presents several options, including cache partition wiping, factory reset, and system reboot. Each option serves a specific purpose in device restoration and should be selected based on the severity of the issue. Before proceeding with advanced reset procedures, critical considerations must be addressed. Data backup and warranty implications require careful evaluation to prevent irreversible consequences. Data loss is inevitable with factory reset procedures. Save games, custom configurations, and installed applications will be permanently erased. Additionally, warranty coverage may be affected by advanced reset procedures, particularly when custom firmware is involved. Custom firmware installations require specialized recovery procedures. Firmware reflashing involves specific tools and compatibility considerations that vary significantly between device models. Firmware compatibility is critical for successful recovery. Each device model requires specific firmware versions, and incorrect firmware installation can result in permanent device damage or bricking. Professional technical support should be prioritized when advanced procedures exceed user expertise. Anbernic provides comprehensive support resources and warranty services for authorized repair procedures. Advanced reset and recovery procedures require methodical execution and comprehensive understanding of device architecture. When standard troubleshooting proves insufficient, these procedures provide powerful restoration capabilities while maintaining system integrity.